Hi, it's so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. Today we're going to be opening up Boxycharm. Don't mind the box, it's a little beat up. This one's $21 a month. Usually includes 5 full-sized items. Hello, Charmer. All natural. At the back it has all the details of what comes included, and I'll leave that for later as a recap. Elemis, and this is a superfood vital veggie mask. And this one's $35. So fresh and so clean. Has a safety seal on it, which is always good. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, Jesus. So that is what it looks like. Doesn't really smell like much. Oh, it's tingling. It is tingling. There was definitely a tingle going on with this mask. I'm glad the directions warned about it. Otherwise I'd be like, And I'm supposed to leave it on for 10 minutes and I'll check back in once it's done. So I'm just gonna wipe this off and we shall see how it worked. There's a lot of this. You're not supposed to wash it? Can I rinse my face? I don't know if I would just want to let this sit on my face. Oh, it's drying. Okay. All right. It looks okay. Compared to how it was before, kind of feels the same. I'm assuming it has to be continuous for it to actually work or for you to actually see a difference. But after one try, I'm not seeing anything. It looks exactly the same to me. I don't know how to pronounce that. And they have the pronunciation right there, if you can see in really fine lettering. I like that the packaging is cardboard. Very nice. Sticking with the theme on natural. Luxie 510. I'm assuming this is a foundation brush. 250. Large eye blending. And then 246, which is precision. You see the handle? I don't know if it's gonna focus, but it looks like wood. Like you can see the grain of the wood right on the handle. These run $30. So it's $10 a brush. Luxie, you crazy. Butter London, and I am super excited for this palette. I actually got a sample size in my Birchbox last month and I fell in love. It does have a mirror included. I'm just gonna bend that back. And those are the colors. The mirror is really tiny though. Look at that. You literally only see your eyes. This runs $32. It's so cool. I love like the wood grain on the casing too. Enchantress. Oh my God. Holy cow. Okay, that's beautiful. Queen. Oh my goodness. These colors are just phenomenal. Star. Oh Lord. Diva. Temptress. Oh my goodness. Oh, Femme Fatale. Oh my word. That is a beautiful palette. This is a palette I need in my life. Something that just one swipe and it shows. And it's like an ocean blue. So beautiful. And then I put Star right underneath Femme Fatale. And I think they blend in really well together. I did a cut crease. The one color I was having a problem with was Enchantress, which is on the inner corner. It's just too light and matches the concealer I use, so it's like really hard to tell. The color right after that is Diva, which is a beautiful gold. After that is Queen, which is a nice rose gold. And I darkened up the edge with Temptress. I love this palette. The colors just went on effortlessly. This is what I'm looking like, and this is the final product. I just wanted you to be able to see all the colors, even though my eyes are looking a little bruised right now, but that should take care of itself once I'm done with my foundation. A peel, and it is a gel liner. Oh, and it looks like you can use it for either your eyes or your lips, so that's gonna be good. It's a deep taupe. That's the color. Put my hand on my skin tone. That's taupe. I thought that was brown. This goes to show what I know. Top lid, as well as my waterline. And two, it matches my skin tone, so it doesn't really come out. But that's what it looks like. Personally, I think I might use it more as a lip liner. This runs $21. So I have my eyelashes on. Makeup is a Dunzino. I actually don't really like these eyelashes. I don't know why I put them on. Let's just ignore the lashes because they are bothering me. This is from Alamar Cosmetics, and it's the Mother of Pearl Gloss. Ooh, it's Smells really good. Swipe it. Everything is dripping. I'm actually gonna try the Appeal. See how it works as a lip liner. It's okay. Works like a regular lip liner. Doesn't taste like anything. This one's $10. I think everything came out really well. So that was everything included in my July Boxycharm. It had a total value of $128. But that's it for this video. Have a good one. Bye.